Make sure that's good. Yep, perfect. Got all that. Yep, okay, yep, okay, yep. Do I need to? Yes, I do. It's probably fine. Smells like death, but it's probably fine. Everything smells better when it smells like death. Put that up there. Put this over here. God, I am so disorganized. Alright. Do I got Campari? No, this is April. I don't have Campari. Okay. Anyways, alright. 3, 2, 1. Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making the double-headed dragon. God, I haven't done this in a very long time. I kind of just stopped for a while. I was like, I'm going to take a break from alcoholism, and I'm now back with alcoholism. Interesting. So this double-headed dragon, I got it off of Tipsy Bartender. I'm going to leave a link down below where you can find this video to the original video, well, the original video with all the instructions. You know what I'm talking about anyways. I did not read all the way through with this, but I'm going to just kind of wing it. You're going to need a shaking glass. You'll need a jigger. What you're also going to need is Mango Rum, Grenadine, pineapple juice, a Rum 151. I'm going to use Don Q instead of my Bacardi because I want to save that, and a pineapple rum as well. So, what am I doing? Dear God. The ice glass shake. Okay, cool. I can do that. That's easy. Yeah, so that... Okay, yeah. Okay, we're good. Let's go ahead and get down into making this. So, it is 1 ounce of pineapple rum. One of these days I'll get that pouring right. 1 ounce of mango rum. Like I said, didn't read this. I just kind of picked it and I was like, that looks good. 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, which unfortunately I do not trust myself to pour this, especially since this is apparently a new bottle. Yeah, it's still good. That's the good news. I probably should have shaken this first. Not really much to shake here, but you know, there, shaked. I'm just gonna guess in here how much 1.5 ounces is. I may be right, I may be wrong. There's a good possibility I'm wrong. Let's do it this way. I was close. It's about 2 ounces. So 1.5 ounces in there. Drink the pineapple juice from your cup, even though you know you're gonna need it later for other drinks. We're gonna go ahead and shake this up. And then we're going to pour about 3/4 of an ounce of this mixture in each shot glass. I'm going to go a little lower on these since I have to layer a shot. Pour the rest in here. It looks a lot more yellow in the other one, so I'm assuming they don't use Malibu pineapple, or they use a much better pineapple juice. It also could be because of all the lighting. Decent possibility. The next thing to do is... Okay. Splash of Grenadine. You all know I can't do splashes worth a damn, but I will do my damnedest. That's good enough. Couple drops. Yummy, Grenadine. Alright, and the next thing to do is I need to layer a shot, and I'm gonna just use this, or attempt to use this. I don't see myself being able to layer this, but I'm gonna do my damnedest to try. This is gonna be rough. Did I do it? I need to do a little bit more. It cleared away all the foam pretty much instantaneously. And it's both shot glasses are... Oops, I just dripped all over the fucking thing. Damn it. Since I can't put a pour top on this, it unfortunately will drip... Ah, darn it. Oh yeah, that was 150. It was 150 proof. I don't know why I like torturing myself. But I apparently just enjoy doing that. And this is the double-headed dragon. You're supposed to fucking shove this, you know, on the top of this and, you know, drink it, but I'm just gonna pour them in. Like so. And let's try it out. Whoa! I like that. Oh, it's nice and sweet. Why did I never buy Mango Rum? I feel stupid for never buying Mango Rum. Oh, that was good. Oh, You can't taste the 151 that I put in those shot glasses. And you already seen that I didn't have that much in there. It was about yay high. I mean, the shot glasses didn't have that much in there either. From what I could tell from the picture, it didn't look like it was very high up. It might have been just need to be a little bit more, but it's fine. Yeah, this combination works out really well. It's actually very beautifully. Ugh, God, I feel horribly. Oh my God. Anyways, beautifully created together. It's a beautiful. I don't know where I was going. Oh wait, no, I remember where I was going with that. It's like all the layers, all the colors. It makes it nice and beautiful looking, and the taste itself is very sweet. Very good combination. I mean, it's mango and pineapple. Mango and pineapple usually go together. Excuse me while I suck out the rest of the Grenadine. That was the double-headed dragon. Yeah, no, this is good. I'd highly recommend you guys try this one out. Some of these ones on Tipsy Bartender is not always the greatest, but some of them top-notch, and this is probably one of them.
If you like that, go check out my other videos. We now have a Discord link down in the description. If any of you guys have a drink or shot recipe, leave it down in the comment section below. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all next time.